Well, for today's trade of the day on Wednesday, the 15th of May, we're going to be looking at sterling against the US dollar. It's a 15-minute chart, so for all you day traders out there. And really the market started off just pulling back a little bit. A lot of that data in Europe being really quite rubbish, really. Preliminary GDP over in France and Germany, some very, very poor numbers, really. Then we started to rocket back up a little bit, especially moving further ahead after unemployment sort of claims data there. But actually, the trade of the day is not this long here, really. It's back to the short side, and it's interesting about being able to follow the trend. And one of the things that we're always quite big on here is being able to identify the trend and look for the opportunities more so really in that direction. I guess it's about trying to identify the bigger picture of a trade first and then look to capture movements within that bigger picture. And really for us, the bigger picture was looking for movements down. It was the path of least resistance. And really that trade kicked in at about 11:30 here today, market moving down. And we discussed this during the webinar I was doing at 12:30, and the market was it's come to 12:30. You see how it's already down, and we're about here when we launched the session, so we're only up about 5 or 6, 7 ticks or so, looking to short in this zone. And really what we're looking for is the prices to move down to this green line here. So you put your cursor over the bar. I'm looking at the far left hand side here. See this number here where my cursor is? Put my cursor there. So at 51.77, that's my target, 51767. So round it up, 51.77. You can stick that in your dealing platform. That's the target we're looking for. So from an entry 52.23, looking to 51.77 there. That's best part of sort of 47 points or so. And you can see that within an hour, I hadn't really done a whole heap, but as the session developed, we talked about it. There it went, popped down, went down and hit target. So the low on this bar here, 73, remember that target 77, so went 4 points through our target, definitely filled and making that sort of 47, 48 points or so. Now remember, of course, if you're trading spread betting, do that at £1 a point, that's 47 quid. £10 a point, that's 470 quid there in about an hour and 45 minutes. And now the key with trend signal is to make sure that you're maximizing your results on these trades. Now typically what happens is as the markets hit the top or bottom of the price envelope, they react quite violently. So we hit that target zone there, hit it, and see what happened to price. And here we are, this is live now, 152.40. So a really nice move there today. Significant profits there, 45 points. Do you know what, guys? You only really need 20 points a day to pick up a really good income from trading, in my opinion. 40 points plus, that's a very lucrative income indeed. But it's all about having the right strategies and the right know-how, and that's certainly what we teach. Thanks very much for listening.